What's up guys, Jeremy here. Welcome to another home tour video. Today I'm gonna show you guys my newest listing here at 87-2204 Farrington Highway, letter A. So right now, we're starting at the front yard. As you can see, a lot of yard space. If you have pets, animals, whatever, you just wanna hang out on the lawn, you wanna sunbathe, by all means right here. Right here, if you look, there's a lot of space for driveway. You got the paved driveway over there and goes all the way here. So plenty of space if you got like lots of cars, a lifted Yoda, multiple lifted Yodas, put them all right here. So let's go check out the driveway real quick. So you could put a lot here. Like if you own a boat or something, put it over here. You have your washer and dryer. And yeah, super sick, really nice. Great space to put any vehicle you need. Oh, by the way, this home is a 4-bedroom, 1.5 bath, and it's about 1,000 square feet. And it sits on a lot that's about 5,000 square feet. So you have a lot of space. Let's check out the inside now. So right away, when I'm looking at this, I love the attention to detail. These little slats over here in the front is really nice for the siding. And I think it adds like another layer of like, not luxury, but like attention to detail that makes these like really nice and really pop out. Let's go inside. All right guys, we are inside now. This is like the living room, really nice, and right next to the kitchen. So again, this home is a 4-bedroom, 1.5 bath, and this is listed for $599,000. I honestly think that's a steal and it's gonna go quick. So here in Waianae, 4-bedroom, 1.5 bath, newly remodeled. Same thing with the appliances, they're all brand new. They're all stainless steel. You've got the fridge, microwave, got the oven, and of course right here, you have the dishwasher, which is awesome. You have quartz countertops, these, and of course, this, the sink. And I really like the gold hardware. It's really nice, really adds a nice touch. Cabinets are really nice. Let's see if you got the soft close. Yep, you got the soft close. Hey guys, really quick, if you're getting some value out of this video, please do me a favor and like and subscribe if you haven't already. I'm really trying to grow my channel, and if you like and subscribe, or even better yet, share this video with someone else or a friend, it really helps my channel grow, and I'm really trying to grow this channel. So thank you guys. All right, back to the video. So we'll go in here. Here's 1 bedroom. Really nice, spacious, not too bad, not too big, but I think it's good enough. And this door leads outside to the driveway right here. So it's nice access to the backyard. And then if we go here, here's another bedroom. This one's a little bigger than that bedroom. You have a bigger closet, that's for sure. Right here. Jalousie windows, ceiling fan, and then we'll go over here. Here's another bedroom. This one's way more spacious, and I like the accent wall right here. Super sick, really nice. Closet space. And then I'll show you the 4th bathroom. But before I show you the 4th bathroom, check out this bathroom.
What? Bro, what are you talking about, man?
Or wait, what? Before I show you the 4th bedroom, check out this bathroom. I really love this bathroom. This is nice. I love this mirror. Like, look at that. You can do all kinds of things, Yeah, there you go. Super cool. Dual sinks, again with the matching countertops with the gold hardware. And this shower, super sick. I love this thing, and I love this tile right here. Like this, again, I'm colorblind. I don't know colors, guys, but I think it matches. I think it's a great like gold accents, and then these slats, and then of course with this tile, amazing. And I think there's like a closet over here. Oh yeah, linen closet, so that's good to have. And then over here, this is what I believe is the primary bedroom. There's a bedroom here and then also a half bath right here. You have your toilet and then a nice little vanity over here. All right, let's check out that backyard though. So again, that room leads to the driveway in the backyard, washer and dryer over there. The sellers put gravel here, but I'm sure you could take this out, put a bunch of grass. You could do so much more with this backyard. I think it's pretty sick. You have some trees. There's a lot of potential already with this home, even though it's already renovated, but you could definitely do way more. Well, there you guys have it. Again, this is 87-2204 Farrington Highway, letter A. We are listed for $599,000. And again, this home is super nice. It's 1,000 square feet, 4 bedrooms, 1.5 baths, and it sits on a lot that's about 5,000 square feet. It's fully renovated, brand new AC, brand new appliances, brand new everything. This home is ready to move in today. And I think listed at $599,000, it's gonna go quick. So if you're interested in this home or maybe other homes in Hawaii, shoot me an email at info@jeremymateo.com and I'd love to help you out. And of course, if you haven't yet, please like and subscribe to my channel. It really helps my channel grow. So thank you guys for watching again, and I'll catch you on the next video.